Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to actually bend objects in SketchUp. So it is very simple. You just need to have a plugin which is known as TrueBend. If you want to know how to actually download and install TrueBend, then I have made a specific video on it. You can simply go to extension warehouse website and you can simply just press on download and it will easily get downloaded, and you can then go back to SketchUp and going to extension manager and pressing this install extension button, and you can simply just install the plugin which is named as TrueBend. So after that, what you have to let's say this is a swimming pool that we had made. Just if you want to know how to make such a swimming pool, then you can go check out the video. And so after basically the object that you want to bend, that whole object has to be in the same group. So like if we have so if we have a letter like this and we want to bend this, so everything has to be in one group. Like in this also, this are the different groups, so this will not get bent, but the whole thing which is in one group only, that will get bent. Okay, so you have what you have to do is simply you just have to select the object and press on true bend, and then this vertex which is right over here, these two vertex are the ones that can be operated. So basically once you click on it and you pull it, it will simply get pulled, and you can specify whatever angle that you want, and just after getting the angle that you want, you just have to do is double tap on it, and it will get bent, so it will very cleanly get bent. So this is how you bend a swimming pool in SketchUp. Then if you want to bend this words, then you have to select this and simply again press on this, and it will again get converted into however you want. Let's say you want to make it a round, so you can simply just do this, do double tap on it, and it has becomes round. So you can just place it wherever you want. You can simply rotate this, and then you can easily use it wherever you want. Then if you have some wall panels, then you can again select the whole group of wall panels, and then you can again pull this segment and double tap or press enter, so it will get curved. So if you have a curved wall behind this, then you can do it like this to make the wall panels fit on the wall. Okay, so if you even take the vertex which is behind it, that also turns bends the object in the opposite direction. So basically whenever you say select a object, press on true bend, it will basically give you this two vertex. With only these two you can actually use the one on the back turns the turns the object towards the opposite direction, and the one in front pulls and bends the object in the forward direction. So these are the ways you can actually turn straight objects, and you can simply bend them. So in this video we learned about how to bend a swimming pool, how to bend letters, how to bend wall panels, how to bend a cylindrical pipe, and things like that. You can simply bend anything. If you have just made a rectangle, just made a wall, simply select it, make it a group, and select true bend and simply pull this vertex, and easily you can make whatever shape that you want. Okay, so this was in a nutshell the things and the ways that you can actually bend or turn things in SketchUp by using the plugin which is known as TrueBend, which is right over here, TrueBend, like this, and it appears to be like this, which is on the top left corner of the screen. So it appears like this. So this is how you bend things in AutoCAD, SketchUp, sorry. So if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it.